Hi, I'm Dr. Casie Danenhauer, Doctor of Physical Therapy and Yogi. Chances are you found this video if something hasn't been quite right in your health or specifically your pelvic health. I developed my private practice, Enlighten Physical Therapy, Conscious Care for Pelvic Health, in an effort to help you bring balance, nourishment, and empowerment into your body and your life from a deeply rooted, centered space. If you've experienced any kind of pelvic pain, bladder, bowel, or sexual dysfunction, or if you've tried all of the traditional approaches and nothing seems to quite work, you're in the right place.
I was diagnosed with endometriosis and I was suffering from severe pain in my left side from fibroids. Working with Casie in just a few short months, I've already had my symptoms completely alleviated, and she's helped me a lot with all of my pelvic floor issues that I didn't even really realize that there was treatment for.
I've combined my skills as a pelvic floor specialist and yogi to create a unique and holistic approach to healing for men and women with pelvic floor disorders. I was inspired to create this approach based on my own personal struggles with pelvic floor dysfunction, my own personal yoga practice, and after years of treating clients in traditional PT settings who weren't fully getting better. My approach is East meets West with an integrative consideration of the physical, spiritual, energetic, and emotional systems. I incorporate manual physical therapy both internally and externally, neuromuscular re-education, breathing techniques, mindfulness practices, and physical yoga postures to invite health and healing into my patients' lives. My aim is to empower my patients through education, self-care principles, and mindfulness.
I am a woman who has struggled with painful sex my whole adult life. And I'd been to gynecologist after gynecologist just to check out and make sure that everything was all right, and was resigned to live with the fact that I was going to have painful sex my whole life. So I went to her website, and as soon as I met her, I knew that I had stumbled onto something wonderful. Something that Casie is really good at is helping you share that personal information and make you feel like you're not alone going through something very difficult. She confirmed that the pain that I was having was real, and that I wasn't making it up in my head, and that it was something that other women were struggling with too. And just that knowledge was such a relief.
If you feel like you might benefit from a more holistic approach to health and healing, come join me for one-on-one care in my clinic in Santa Monica, or on my Yoga for Pelvic Health retreats and workshops. Also, make sure to check out my online content for guided meditations and short yoga sequences. I look forward to hearing from you, and be well.